Hello, students. Welcome to our English class. In our last audio lecture, you studied about figure of speech with its example and writing work related to figure of speech. Today, we are going to start with the best moral story of your fourth chapter of Unit 1. The title of this chapter is Revti's Musical Plant. This chapter is with the moral of how we have to appreciate the things around us. This story of the chapter goes around three characters, that is Revti, blossom plants and music. This is what is the story goes around. So let's go around the story. Let us see about this. Revti was a student of music. She was happy playing on her violin whenever she was free. There was a small open courtyard in front of her house. Courtyard means a gallery-like construction with a cement bench, means there was a bench which was made up of cement. She would sit on the bench and practice on her violin. There were a few potted plants in the courtyard. While playing on the violin one day, she noted a pot of balsam plant near the wall. Balsam means threw away carefully, means which were kept aside carefully. The plants were not looking normal. They had pale green leaves and their growth was stunted, means their growth was very slow or they stopped growing. She remembered she had learnt in the lower classes that plants need light for the normal growth. She shifted the pot to the center of the courtyard where there was ample sunlight. Ample sunlight means enough sunlight for the plant to make its own food. While shifting the pot, an idea struck her, means an idea came into her mind. Why not participate in the best plant contest which was to be held in her colony a few weeks later? Then and there she decided to participate. Thus, making up her mind, she watered the plants and sat down on the bench and started playing her violin. She was very fond of raga Mohanam. Mohanam raga means it's a raga which filled the mind with love or with patience, relaxation, like that. She played the raga for some time and then went in for her studies. Every day, Revti would sit on the bench and watch her potted plants. They were growing well and looking healthier than the other plants in the far end of the courtyard. One day, when she was playing, she noticed a movement in her potted plant. They were slowly moving their stems, bending slightly towards her. She wondered why they were moving, as there was no breeze. It struck her as odd. Struck her as odd means it seemed to be very, very strange to her. Means such a way the movement the plant was showing towards her was very different. So it was very strange movement. The next evening too, she played on her violin as usual and watched the potted plant with care. After some times, like the previous day, there was a definite movement in her plant. They all bent towards her. This astonished and surprised her. Astonished means also surprised. That day, all there was no breeze. So there was no breeze, but how come these stems were bending towards Revati? That was a great surprise for her. Revati sat on the bench and played a different tune, one week with a quick rhythm. That means a very strong music. She started playing on her violin. She suddenly saw all plants turned away from her as though they did not like what she was playing. Then she started playing her favorite tune again, and the plants slowly strengthened themselves and bent towards her. Strengthened means they again regained the energy and they bent towards Revati. Her surmised became a certainty. Surmise means a supposition which she made in her mind to be very true. That she supposed that her plants were enjoying the music, and with the music they were turning towards her. Her plants loved to hear her favorite tune. She kept the knowledge a secret. She did not tell anyone, not even her mother. There were only a few days left for the prize distribution. To her great surprise, Revati found her potted plant not only taller and healthier than other balsam plants. Balsam means it's a kind of a plant which was very strong and very healthy one. But that day, they had started flowering a few days earlier than the other plants. Means these trees, they started giving flowers earlier than the other potted plants. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plant had an unusual kind of flowers. The flowers were maved with white strip. Maved with means a pale of purple color was there with the white strip over it. That evening she knew she would definitely get the prize for the best plant. She went to bed dreaming for her plants and the new type of flower. The next day was all important day. She got up in the morning and went straight to the courtyard to see her plants. Revati blinked for a few minutes. Blinked means she was very surprised. She blinked means she started blinking her eyes. Why? For there was neither pot nor the plant, means the pot and the plant was not at all seen in the courtyard. She looked to see if someone had moved the plant. She thought that somebody has moved from the regular place. She searched all over the courtyard. She asked her mother. Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plant. Some of the neighbors had been to their house the previous afternoon, and they had remarked at the beautiful flowers and the healthy looking plants in the pot. But later she had been busy inside the house and had been not to the courtyard. Revati's grief knew no bounds, means her grief, her sadness was beyond limit. She went around asking everyone of her neighbors, but no one had been anywhere near the pot of plants. She felt she could not launch a complaint for a pot of plant. She felt as though everything was lost. She did not mind not getting the prize, but she really missed her plants. She had grown very fond of them, means she was liking those. She liked her plants like anything. They were her friends. She enjoyed her music with them. That evening, all her friends were going to the prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to attend, but her friends forced her to. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. Revati was shocked. There was her pot of plant on a bench with the name of a distant neighbor of her. Distant neighbor means a neighbor who was far from her as a competitor. So this neighbor had placed Revati's plant as her own plant and she had participated as a competitor. Written on a small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. She knew it was her pot of plant. She went to the organizers of the show and told them about it. This was the part that I covered today. The remaining would be in my next audio lecture. Let us see next audio lecture. Till then, thank you.